Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to give you Blue Shot coupon code. Now, first thing you should do is to simply head down below in the description of the video and you will find a link, and you can only get this discount by using the link down below in the description. And after you click on the link, it will show you this page. Now you'll have to scroll down in order to see all the discounts that you can get. And here, as you can see, you can have up to 83% off, which means that you will pay only $2 per month for the basic plan. And down below right here, you will find all the features of each plan and what it will give you exactly. And there's also 30-day money back guarantee as displayed right here. And you need to know that these offers are only available for long-term subscriptions. So here, as you can see, it says that you will pay $2 per month for 12 months. And after that, you'll have to pay $12 per month. When you click on get started, it will show all the subscription plans right here. And you can also talk to the support and they will help you choose which subscription or which plan is most fit for you. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.